Good morning, students. Today's topic is trigonometry. Clear? We will discuss about trigonometry with the help of some situations, some example. Clear? Let's. There is a building, and you are seeing the highest point of the building. Clear? And there is a river. You are at the height h. At the height h. And you are, in the case of building, you are at a distance x from the building. And you want to calculate the value of h. And in this case, you want to calculate the breadth of the river. That means the value of x. Clear? In this case, you want to calculate the height. In this case, you want to calculate the value of x. Clear? So can we calculate the value of x and value of h? Yes, we can calculate. We can calculate the value of x and value of h with the help of trigonometry. With the help of trigonometry concept. Clear? So let's understand about the trigonometry. If you are talking about the trigonometry, if you are talking about the trigonometry, trigonometry is derived from three Greek words, which is trigonometron. Trigonometry is derived from three Greek words, trigonometron. Clear? If you are talking about tri, that means three. Gon means sides. Metron, that means measurement. Clear? Tri, three, gon, sides, metron, measurement. Clear? If you are talking about three sides, from three sides we can get a triangle by three sides. With the help of three sides we can get a triangle and angles. We can say in trigonometry we will learn about the relation between the sides and the angles. In trigonometry we will learn relation between sides and angles, and we will measure any sides. We can measure any sides of the triangle. Clear? So now we will learn about some basic concept about the triangle. Clear? It is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. This is the right angle 90. Let's denote it A, B and C. A, B and C. If A is theta, if the angle A is theta, then opposite to the angle theta will be perpendicular. Clear? Opposite to 90, it will be hypotenuse, and it will be base. Clear? It will be base. Perpendicular, hypotenuse and base. If you are changing the angle theta, if we are changing the angle theta, in this case, if theta is C, angle theta is C, then what will be? The hypotenuse will be fixed. It will not change, but perpendicular and base will change. Opposite to the angle will be perpendicular, and opposite to the next angle will be base. Clear? So we can say, if you are changing the angle, perpendicular and base will change, but hypotenuse will be same. Clear? Now we will learn about some trigonometrical ratio. We will learn it with the help of a trick. What is? With the help of trick. Pandit Badri Prasad हर बोले. Pandit Badri Prasad हर बोले. If you are talking about the P stands for perpendicular, and B for base, and H for hypotenuse. I am writing it in short hypo. Clear? Now there are 6 trigonometrical ratios. How many? There are 6 trigonometrical ratios. First is sine, which is discovered by Archimedes. Archimedes. Sine theta is equal to perpendicular P upon H. That means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos theta, B upon H. That means base upon hypotenuse. If you are talking about a tan theta, P upon B, that is perpendicular upon base. If you are talking tan, opposite to tan, reverse of a tan, you can say inverse of a tan, you can say cot theta. Cot theta will be base upon perpendicular. This is the cot theta is reverse of tan, and inverse of the cos will be sec, and sec theta will be H upon B. That means hypotenuse upon base, and inverse of sine is cosec. Cosec is H upon P. That means hypotenuse upon perpendicular. If you want to learn sequence, you can use the trick Sona, Chandi, Tolo. S for sine, C for cos, T for tan. That means this is the sequence. If you want to learn sequence, sine, cos, tan, inverse of tan, cot, inverse of cos, sec, inverse of sine, cosec. That means it is cosec, it is sec, it is cot. So now you can say, with the help of this trick, we can learn trigonometrical ratios in the trigonometry. Clear? So I hope the lecture was beneficial for you. Thank you for today.